Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that gold on a weekly time frame on the previous week recently showed signs of making a breakout of this major uptrend line which gold has been respecting for a really long time. So gold on a previous week showed signs of making a breakout of that uptrend line with this bearish engulfing candle, but in this week gold went up again with further bullish move as part of a pullback to all the way reaches this key zone over here. Now if you look previously, you can see how much of a major key zone this one right here is. As you can see, all these retest points that this major key zone has from gold over here. So this major key zone is currently acting as gold's resistance zone. So gold needs to make a breakout of this key zone to continue pushing up, and gold needs to respect this key zone as its resistance zone to continue pushing down, as it's also moving in respect to a downtrend line while making a retest to this key zone. It's also making a retest to that downtrend line as well, which you can see on the daily time frame, not in this weekly time frame. So as you can see in this weekly time frame, you can already notice this downtrend line which gold is currently retesting over here with this bullish move. Now gold is also making a retest on this major key zone over here. So gold, if makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, it would be making a breakout of this key zone, and also it would be making a breakout of this downtrend line which it has been respecting beautifully over here. So that might trigger a lot of momentum on gold for gold to continue pushing up all the way, retest this key zone, or probably retest this key level over here. So gold needs to respect this key zone and as a resistance zone, and respect this downtrend line to continue pushing down to probably come all the way retest this key zone of this ranging phase that gold has been ranging for a really long time. Now gold, if continues to push down, this is the key zone that we are looking for gold to come down to by making new lower low. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, you can pretty much see the same key zones that we talked about in the weekly to daily time frame. In addition, you can see some of other key zone over here. While making this pullback, gold is also moving in respect to a newly forming uptrend line, which you can see right over here. Now my anticipation for the upcoming week on gold is that if gold on the upcoming week comes up to retest this key zone and makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish move, like with a bullish engulfing candle, then you can go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes to 15 minutes time frame and look for certain structure that gold might be forming after it makes a break and close above this key zone. Like the structure could be something like this, and then you can look for trades on the bullish side if gold makes a breakout of that structure that it might be forming on 15 minutes to 30 minutes time frame with further bullish move, in hopes of gold coming all the way up to retest this key zone or all the way up to retest this key level, which you saw on the daily time frame right around here and here, and on the weekly time frame right around here and here. There might be also price manipulation over here. There might be also stop loss hunt over here. So to avoid those kind of stop loss hunts, we should always go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes to 15 minutes time frame and look for certain structure to be formed over there after a price makes a break and close above or below a pretty major key zone, and then we can look for trades on the breakout of such structure with further momentum on the same direction. However, if gold, instead of making a break and close above this key zone and continuing with further bullish move to all the way retest this key zone, if gold finds a strong resistance around at this key zone and continues to make a breakout of this uptrend line and also this key zone with further bearish move, then that might be an indication of gold still respecting this downtrend line, and gold might be continuing to come down all the way to retest this key zone over here. And that would also validate an idea of gold still moving in respect to this bearish engulfing move that it started all the way from here to all the way over here, and that might be an attempt of gold coming down all the way to make new lower low all the way to retest this key zone which we talked in the weekly time frame. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to get the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where all these trend lines and all these key zones and steps are. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.